Hello guys, welcome to this video. So this is 2023 GCE Math Paper 2, and once again this is a revised question. It has already been answered, but we feel that many people don't really understand what vectors are. So this is going to help you be able to solve vectors step by step, and we hope and believe that you're going to gain concepts and fundamentals that are going to help you even solve the very question in the final exam. So this is a vector that you're going to go through. So the information is that we can see from the diagram to say OC is vector 3b, OA is vector 2a, and AB is just vector b. And then we know that M is the midpoint of OB. So now the first question is expressed in terms of A, vector A and slash OB. So now we have to find this vector. So to find vector OB, the most important thing when you're solving vector is to ensure that you understand that the direction in which you're moving, okay? So I'm starting from O and then ending at B. And I have to ensure that whatever, diagram I've been given, and try by all means to ensure that the direction that is going to form OB is, at the end of the day, forming what you call a triangle. So OB is OB, okay? You can have OB is this. So OB, OA, and AB. So this is a triangle, okay? That is a triangle. So I'm going to say OB equals to OA plus AB. Okay? Now, once you do this, the moment you do that, you have to ask yourself in terms of if you have gone against the given direction in the diagram. So OA is just normal, okay? From O to A is just normal. And then AB from A to B, just normal. It's starting from A going to B, and that is okay. So now our vector OA is simply 2 vector A plus AB is just vector B. And this is your OB, okay? Then now for CB, so how do we find CB? So CB is this one, so the direction is this. So the direction is from C going to B. That is the most important thing. So now again, I have to look at which other two parts, okay? I have to look at, if I have CB, which other two parts are now going to form a triangle, okay? So CB equals to CO. When you look at this one, CB equals to COOB. So you get the C here, and then you say CO plus OB. So the direction is very much important, because if you don't do that, you're going to get confused, okay? Now, before you simplify now, make sure that you check out, have I gone against the direction which I've been given in the diagram or not? So if you have gone against the direction, that means you have to reverse that one and assign a negative. So in this case, CO, okay? CO, in fact, this one was original like this. So CO, okay? CO, I'm moving from C going to O, okay? So if I collide with the original direction, this means I have to change this one. So it's going to be negative OC, then plus OB. So you have to change that. Then from there now we know negative OC is just going to be negative 3 vector B plus vector OB. Now what is vector OB is this part, okay? So just you put 2 vector A plus vector B. And then now you can simplify that, okay? So now this is going to be, you have the like terms negative plus this. Okay. Now, what is negative 3 vector B plus B? This is just the same thing you do with when you're talking about 2x plus x, maybe y plus 4x, y plus maybe 2y or 3y. It's the same as saying negative 3y plus y. It's the same thing, okay? Nothing changes. So I know that I'm starting with a negative and then ending with a positive. So I can just reverse that. So you can say 3 minus 3y. So meaning, you just look at the coefficients, okay? What number is in front of y is this 1, and what number is in front of this y is this negative 3. So we are simply saying 1 minus 3. Okay, remember the sign of the bigger number. The answer will carry the sign of the bigger number. So this becomes negative 2, 1. So this same concept is the same thing that you are going to apply here. So this is going to be negative 2 vector B plus 2A. So then from there you can just now rearrange. Start with 2 vector A minus 2 vector B. So that is the answer for CB. Okay, so this is okay, and then now we move on to AC. So now for AC, so you can just now get your ruler and then you can just do this. Okay, so AC. So you have to pay attention, they are saying AC. So our direction will start from A going to C. So AC, so this is what we have. So AC. Now again, look at the possible direction in terms of how you're going to make a triangle. So I have AC, and then now I need 2 other sides to add so that I can form a triangle. So AC can be AO plus OC, as simple as that. So AO plus OC. Okay. Now, once you do this, okay. Now, once you do this, you have to ask yourself concerning this direction that you have made. Have you moved against the direction in the actual diagram? So when you look at AO, what you have in the diagram there is OA. Okay? It is OA. So meaning we have to reverse this one and add the negative. So this is going to be negative OA plus OC. So this is very, very important if you want to understand vectors. Okay. So now this is going to be negative of this, then plus OC. This is just this. Okay. Now you can just reverse this. Because of the negative, you can just start with 3 vector B minus 2 vector A. And that's your answer for AC. Now the final one is CM, okay? So CM. So now, how are we supposed to find CM, the last one? So CM, so it's moving like this. So CM. Now remember always that the direction is very much important, okay? It is very important because it is going to help us have correct answers. If you don't do that, you are going to be failing to understand how vectors works. So vectors, their fundamentals lies in understanding how the directions are going to move. So we have to be able to know that. Therefore, let's answer this one. So now CM, so we always need to make a triangle. So CM, which side do you think is going to give us the triangle? So CM equals CO plus OM. Now remember, M is the midpoint. So the midpoint is just the distance that is divided into two equal parts. So in that case, this is 1 and that is 1. So a midpoint means half, okay? Half of whatever the distance is. So in this case, we know that from O to M, it is just, let's say, for example, so from O to M is just 1 over 2 of this line, okay? Which is just OB, which we know of vector OB. Now we know that this OB is 1 plus 1, which is just the 2, okay? So this is the 2 that we have. Now remember, we had actually found, we had already found the OB, okay, which was just 2A and then plus, so 2 vector A plus B. So this was the vector for OB. So this is what you're going to use. So I want you to understand, whenever you come across something to do with a midpoint, you're talking about half 1 over the total distance, okay, of that line. So the major line is OB. So now this is going to be CM equals to CO plus OM, okay? So OM. Now we know that this is against the OC, okay? So this becomes negative of this plus OM, okay, is simply now 1 over 2 of the vector OB, okay? Therefore, negative OC plus half of this vector. So remember, go back to the first answer. So this vector. So what was the answer there? It was 2, okay, vector A plus vector B. Then from there now, we know that this OC is just negative 3 vector B. So now we can expand this part. So negative 3B plus, so this times this, so meaning this and this goes. So you just have this, then half times that, you're just going to have this B. And then from there now, we know the like terms that this B and that B, so we're going to have half vector B minus 3 vector B plus vector A. And then now we can now find the combined fraction there by finding the lowest common denominator, okay? So put over 1 there. So you have the lowest common denominator is just 2. So 2 into 2 is just 1 times B. So you're going to have B. Then 1 into 2 is just 2 times 3B. So this will be 6B. Then plus this, okay? And then now finally, this is going to be vector b minus 6 vector b, just going to be vector 5b over 2 plus vector a. So this is the answer for CM. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to support me, to support Radical Academy, and keep on sharing this video so that even other people that are interested in this video may also be able to learn from this video. It's bye-bye. See you in the next video. Bye.